Today I am going to be demonstrating the best way to update the firmware on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This brand new camera was released by GoPro just a couple weeks ago, and interestingly enough, a brand new firmware update came out on the day it was announced, October 1st, 2019. Now if your camera's like mine shipped without the latest firmware on it, so it didn't have a lot of those awesome new features that GoPro advertised. So the first thing I did when I took it out is I updated the firmware. I have owned several models of GoPro cameras, and I have tried the 3 different methods for updating firmware. And this method I'm going to show you today has been the best one each time. It's been the one that works the first time around, and it hasn't wasted my time. It's taken just a couple minutes, and then I've been good to go. Now for this method, you're going to need 3 things. First, you're going to need your GoPro Hero 8 Black. Second, you're going to need your micro SD card, and you can put this into an SD card adapter like mine, or if your computer has a slot for the micro SD to go in, you can do that as well. My computer does not have a slot for the micro SD, it only has the SD card slot. And third, you will need a laptop or a desktop that's running Windows or Mac OS. Let's get started. First, you will want to go to gopro.com/update. Under the cameras heading at the top, you will select GoPro Hero 8 Black. Once you've clicked on this, it's going to load a new page, and on this page, GoPro is going to show the 3 methods that I just mentioned. The method we are going to use is under the Other Ways to Update Your Camera heading. You will want to click Update Your Camera manually. Once you've clicked on this, you're going to need to enter your camera serial number as well as your email address. After entering this information, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions and then select Next. On the next page, you'll click to download the update. Now if you're using Windows like I am, this update will go to your default Downloads folder. In most browsers, this folder will be called Downloads. At this point, you will insert your micro SD card into the computer. Once the file has finished downloading, you'll want to navigate to your Downloads folder and find the folder named update.zip. You will want to right-click on this and select Extract All. Once the folder has finished extracting, you will see a folder named Update. Next, you'll want to right-click on Update and select Copy. You'll then navigate to your micro SD card on your computer, right-click and select Paste. The Update folder will then proceed to copy to your micro SD card. Once the update has finished copying, you will eject your micro SD card from your computer. Next, you're going to insert your micro SD card into your GoPro Hero 8 Black. Next, you are going to power on your GoPro Hero 8 Black. On the screen, you're going to see a 1/2 as the camera updates. It is going to reboot once or twice, which you're about to see here. That's the first reboot. And then you're going to get a check mark when it's finished. Your GoPro Hero 8 Black will restart one more time after you see the check mark, and then you are good to go. You're all set now, and your GoPro Hero 8 Black now has the latest firmware with all of the latest features and bug fixes. Thank you and have a blast with this camera.